Family, is the voice of Sunday Alexander Media right here. So a number of people have been asking me the same question: is it already too late to join COTY11? So instead of answering everyone individually, I decided to create this complete tutorial explaining what I currently know about the platform, the VIP system, how the investment period works, and what you should understand before making any decision. So with all that being said, I went ahead to message the COTY manager, which you can see right here. So you can see it right here. This is where I was asking her right here. As you can see it, this is it right here. So let's read it together. So I said, hello Manager Lee, I've received 4 new messages from my audience asking whether it's already too late for new members to join and invest in COTY11. I believe some people may be holding back because they are unsure whether they can still participate at this stage. Could you please clarify your position on this so I can give my audience accurate information? Specifically, is the platform currently still open for new members to register and participate in the available investment products, or are there any changes or new conditions they should be aware of? Once you confirm, I'll communicate the information clearly to everyone who has been asking. So as you can see, this was a response right here. As you can see, this was a response right here. You can see it, so let's read it together. So as you can see, the COTY Group is the world's largest perfume manufacturer and one of the leading beauty giants. Founded in Paris in 1904 by the French perfumer Francois Coty. It is now headquartered in New York, USA, and is dual listed on the New York Exchange, NYSE, Coty, and the Paris Stock Exchange. So as you can see, that's what she said. And you can see COTY VIP product is a stable clinical investment. Funds can be withdrawn after the investment periods end. So this can bring higher returns, but your commission will also be higher. So that's just what she said about COTY11. So I believe you've now understood that it's still early for you to jump in, for you to start making money for yourself every single day. So you can go ahead now to I'm going to be dropping the link in the description for you to join the platform right here. And once you are here, then it's going to be like this. So as you can see, currently I'm having over 63,800 as my revenue right here. So as you can see it. So what I did was that I invested in one of the VIP package, which is right here, by clicking on this invest. So if you click on this invest right here, so as you can see, there are tons of VIP packages. So I've dedicated the video tutorial already in this channel whereby I explain everything step by step. So the one I invested was the VIP one, which is going for 3,850. So every day I keep on getting 3,190. So for 49 days is the total amount is going to be 156,310 naira. So that's the VIP one package that I invested. So you can go ahead and invest in any of the VIP package. So as you can see, they also have VIP 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the VIP 8. So you can go ahead to invest in any of this package and be expected to receive your funds after 49 days, which you are seeing right here. So that's just it. So I believe you've now understood how it works. Like I said, the link is going to be down in the description. All you simply have to do is to click on the link and register. Then you want to proceed to make a minimum deposit which is the VIP level of 3,850. Then once you've done that, you just come to invest right here. So the link to how to register deposit is going to be down in this video description as well. I've dedicated the video tutorial for that already. Then all you have to do is to watch the other video tutorials for you to understand how to start making money right here in this platform. But one thing I came to clarify right here in this video is that you can still be able to earn right here on this platform. That's me reaching out to the manager of the platform, and she said COTY VIP product is a stable clinical investment. Funds can only be withdrawn after the investment period ends. So if you should invest in any of the VIP level, you are expected to receive the money only when the period end, you understand, which is the 49 days. So that's just it. So thank you very much for this video. This is the very end, and I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next one. So I believe the next one should be when, it's now time for me to, withdraw my, earnings. So right here, so by that time it might be 156,000. It's going to be 156,310. So that's just it. So like you know, investment involves risks, so you want to invest what you can afford to lose at any time. You understand? This is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing on any platform like this. So if you're happy with that, you can go ahead to invest in any of the VIP level. You understand? To invest what you can afford to lose, because this is not financial advice. So thank you very much for watching to the very end. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, and as for now, Son of Media signing out. Cheers guys.